Let's see how to enable the Smart Emails feature in Conversios app. To enable this feature, go to the Conversios app. If you have not integrated your Google Analytics account, make sure to integrate the same. Once integrated, navigate to the reporting section. You will be redirected to a screen like this. At the top right, you will be able to find the Smart Emails option. Click on the same and enable the Smart Emails option. Once enabled, you will see that the email address that is registered with your license key is auto-filled and the email frequency is set to weekly by default. You can also change the email and frequency settings later as per your requirements. Once the settings are done, click on Save. You will start receiving email reports as showcased. It will include a grid-like report that will include information about the revenue, transactions, average purchase revenue, add to carts, checkouts, item views, total users, and sessions. It will be specific to the time frequency that you have selected, that is, daily, weekly, or monthly. That's how you can set up the Smart Emails. Thanks for watching.